Good morning, scholars. Today is Monday, June 1st, and today we are going to start learning about how to use a calendar. I know you saw one in the classroom. We had one for every month, and we saw that it had several columns over here. It had several rows over here. Today we're going to actually learn how to use these rows and columns. So I'm going to put them underneath the document camera so you can see it better. Let me get this in focus. All right, here we go. As you can see, this is the calendar for this month. This is the month of June. On our calendar, we always have the month. So we have June 2020. That is the year that we are in. In my calendar, it shows us last month and it shows us next month. So I know the month that came before June was May. The month that comes after June is July. We have lots of fun things that happen in these next couple of months. But before we talk about that, let's go ahead and just talk about how a calendar is set up. We know that we have 7 days of the week. And some people think that the days of the week start on Monday, but actually it doesn't. The week starts on Sunday. So let's say the days of the week together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are the 7 days of the week, and they never ever change the order that they're in. So let's look at today. Today is Monday. If I want to know what day comes before Monday, I have to go backwards and look at the day here. The day was Sunday. All right, now let's go back to Monday. If I want to know what day of the week comes after, I'm going to come forward. And the day that comes after Monday is Tuesday. So tomorrow will be Tuesday. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. So let's see if we have Monday and we want to know what day is it 2 days from now. So we need to count 2 columns. 1, 2. That day is Wednesday. So if I look at Monday and I want to know what day is 2 days after Monday, I count 1, 2. That day is Wednesday. The day of the week would be Wednesday. Now listen to what I'm saying. I'm not saying the date, I'm saying the day. When I say what day is it or what day is before or after Monday, I'm talking about using the words for the days of the week. So if you notice, I said what day, day comes after Monday. That day is Tuesday. Now let's look a little bit at the numbers that are on our calendar. Our numbers, when we talk about a calendar, always start with the first day of the month. So that's number 1. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to the end of the month. In this month, in June, we know we have 30 days because nothing else comes after 30. So we know we have 30 days in the month of June. So today is Monday, June 1st. And we say this number as first. Remember we talked about putting numbers in order, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Well, this is why. Today is Monday, June 1st, and then we say the year, 2020. Some people say it 2020. I happen to say 2020. Some people say 2020. It's whatever you want to say. So again, I would say today is Monday, June 1st, 2020. If I want to know what the date is 3 days from now, now let's listen to that. Date means the number. If you say the day, that's saying the word at the top of the calendar. If you say the date, we are talking about the numbers. So today, the date is June 1st, 2020. If I want to see what date it is 5 days from now, I would start here at the first and I would count 5 boxes. I do not count this as 1. This is not one, so I want to know 5 days from now. I go to the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The date would be June 6th, 2020. Now, I would say when you hear the word date or see the word date, D-A-T-E, it wants to know we are looking for the numbers. If we say day, D-A-Y, we are looking for the days of the week. So let's do a little practice here. Let's see, today is June 10th. How would I find June 10th? Well, here's June, and I would look until I see the number 10. So June 10th, what day is that on? Well, I go all the way up till I find the day word, and that is Wednesday. So this year, June 10th is on a Wednesday. So let's go to June 10th. What day is it after June 10th? So I'm going to count 1 forward. It would be June 11th. Here is June 10th. If I want to count the day before, I would go backwards. The date would be June 9th. Let's go down again. Let's see what date, I'm looking for a number, what date is June 26th. Take a look at the calendar, stop the video if you need to. Here it is. I see the number 26, the 26th. We say that 6 with a TH, the 6th. Now put your tongue under your teeth, this 26th. And what day of the week is that? Well, now we're going to slide all the way up here, and it is Friday. Friday, June 26th. Now let's find June 18th. Here it is, June 18th. What day comes before June 18th? Put your finger on it. June 17th. That day is very special to me because that is my youngest son's birthday. So that is a very special day. So let's see, what other days can we find? Let's find June 23rd. 23rd. Here it is. We know the date is June 23rd. That's the number. But let's see what day of the week that is. So let's slide all the way back up to the top, and we see it is a Tuesday. Now let's look at our calendar and let's figure out how many weeks we have this year in June. How would we do that? Well, I'm going to help you figure that out. When we look at how many weeks we have, we're going to look this way and count. So we have 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, almost 5, because this is not a complete week because it only has 3 days in it. We know that every week has 7 days. Let's make sure and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 days. What day, date do you think would come after June 30th? There's an empty box here. What do you think? Well, if we look back up here, my calendar tells me that July comes next. So let's turn the calendar to July. Yes, and July 1st is on a Wednesday. This day here was May 30th, as back on this calendar as a Tuesday, and the next day is Wednesday, which happens to be July 1st. In your social studies today, you're reading about a very special day that takes place on July 4th, and that we call it Independence Day. That's the day we celebrate the birthday of our country, the United States. And most calendars will have holidays marked on them. If we look closely, this calendar says Independence Day. Okay, so that is the first day of, that is the 4th of July. So let's go back until May. Let's do 1 or 2 more, and then you can work on your assignment from school. Let's see. Let's find June 27th. Put your finger on it. June 27th. That is on a Saturday. Now let's look. What is the date of the Saturday before June 27th? All I have to do is go up the row on Saturday, and I see it is June 20th. So if on 27th, the Saturday before that is June 20th. Let's find June 10th. That should be pretty easy now. June 10th. I want to know what is the date after June the 10th. I just stay in the Wednesday column and slide one underneath. That is June 17th. Oops, again, that is my favorite day in June because it's my son's birthday. Today, we looked at reading a calendar. We know we have the date, the month, and the year, usually always at the top. We have the weeks run this way, okay, horizontally. If we want to look at the dates in the days, we know we read this way, vertically, okay? And now it's your turn to practice reading a clock.